Sandy Salazar, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys read from the title, obviously, today I'm going to be doing a fall makeup look / tutorial. So before this intro gets any longer, I say let's get started. So I started off with putting my hair up because it is a little bit hot in here and I don't want to sweat more than I already am. I'm going to be doing my eyes first. I normally do that, but specifically with this look, since I am going to be using more heavier, more pigmented, more darker eyeshadows, I like starting off with my eyes, so then it helps prevent getting fallout on top of my foundation, powder, blush, etc. So then I don't have to redo all that because it's very annoying when you get eyeshadow on your foundation. So yeah, starting off with the eyes. I am going to be using two palettes today. I'm going to be using the Zodiac palette by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop, and also the Secretly a Mermaid palette. So yeah, to start off, I'm going to be using the color Sagittarius right here. And I'm going to be using a little brush like so, and I'm going to be applying that right on my outer corner. And I am going to be dragging it out onto my crease as well. Now, using a clean little like fluffy brush, yes, there's tape on this because it fell off. Anyway, I'm going to be using this little fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using that to blend out this color a little bit more because, as you can see, she's very pigmented. So for the next color in this eyeshadow look, I am going to be going into the Secretly a Mermaid palette, and I'm going to be using the color Siren, which I think by now you guys know I love. It's a really nice color. And I'm going to be using a small little flat brush, and I'm going to be applying that right next to the Sagittarius color on my outer corner. I almost dipped it into Shelfie, ha ha ha, Shelfie. So yeah. And I'm doing this so it kind of like becomes a transition color for the next color I'm going to be using on my eye. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to be going back into the Zodiac palette, and I'm going to be using the Leo and putting that on the rest of my lid using a bigger flat brush. Now I feel like Leo and Siren are actually pretty similar colors, so that's why I did use Siren. It's just a little tiny bit more red than orange, so that's why I felt like it was a good transition color. That's actually looking really nice. I like it. I think now I am just going to be going back in with Sagittarius just to, you know, make it a little bit more. I'm going to be using that same little brush to, you know, go back in again, and most likely I'm going to be using this brush again to blend it out. You guys already know the drill. So regarding my filming and posting schedule, I really don't know like what day I'm going to always try to post on. I feel like it's going to be Wednesdays for sure. This is probably going to be up 2 weeks. I think it's 2 weeks now after posting my last video. It's just I have a lot of things on my plate, and there's some weeks where I just have a lot more homework than usual, although I get a lot of homework, to be fair. I have 2 AP classes. So I am going to be trying to post as often as I can. I really want to try to do it every week, but that's a little bit hard. So I'm going to be trying to guarantee that I post every 2 weeks, most likely on Wednesdays. Like right now I'm filming on a Wednesday, and I'm going to try to edit this because we had no school today because there was a little storm here in New York. I'm going to be trying to edit this and post it today, so we'll see if I succeed. I hope so. Okay, so now that I'm done with the top of my lids, as you can tell I have Sagittarius, then Siren, then Leo. I really like how this looks. It is a little bit bold, I won't lie, but you know what, so far this is my second out of 3 makeup, I guess, related videos I've been doing, and it's bold. But you know what, it's fine. Hashtag self-promo right now. Go check out the little review and look I did based off this palette. I'm going to put the little link pop-out thing. I think it's on this side of the screen, or is it this one? I don't know. But go check it out after you've finished watching this video. So now, using a small little angled brush, are you going to focus? I'm going to be using Sagittarius and just dragging that out here on the bottom of my waterline. Is it called waterline? I don't know. I think this is the second time, or third time even, that I've struggled with the name of this part of the eye. Going back to my filming schedule thing and posting, I hope you guys are understanding. I wish I could, you know, I really am trying to post weekly, but it's really hard. But to be fair, I am also a student, and you know, that is on top. That's more of a priority than, you know, filming. Although I genuinely enjoy filming and editing. So I hope you guys are patient with me. I'm going to try to post as often as I possibly can. But as I said, it's a little bit hard. Now, using that same fluffy brush I've been using to, you know, blend it out, I'm going to blend out this just a little bit. Okay, so now that I've applied that Sagittarius color right here at the outer corner of the bottom of my eyes, I'm going to be doing my eyeliner with the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeliner. Now I think I'm going to be doing that off camera, because even though I am doing it by myself in my room, you know, I know that I'm going to get nervous because you guys will be seeing me do it, so I'm just going to do this off camera. But I'm going to be doing a small wing eyeliner. I'm going to try to do it small. I wasn't sure if I wanted to add any eyeliner on this because I actually like how it looks just without any eyeliner, but I'll be right back after I do my eyeliner. Okay, so I'm done with my eyeliner. You know, it's not the best I've done, but recently I've been struggling with doing my eyeliner because I don't do it as often. I used to be able to just do it in 2 quick motions, like foosh foosh, and it'd be on flick, they'd be sharp, but as you can see, your girl struggled here a little bit. But moving on, as I did my eyeliner, I was like, you know what, I'm going to add a little bit of Leo right next to Sagittarius on this part right here. So after you've added Leo next to Sagittarius on the bottom of your eyes, you can do your base now, which is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be filming some small parts on camera, I think, unless I say something. My base routine is honestly almost the same as my get ready with me for my first day of my junior year in high school. So, you know, another little plug, self-promo. Go check that video out after you've finished watching this. No, if you can even see that. No! We're gonna be fixing that. See, this is how you know I'm not used to acrylic nails, because this is actually screwing me up, because I used to just, you know, dip my finger in, put that in, but you see that? Ugh. Oh boy, oh boy. The struggles, the struggles, the struggles, the struggles. It's not that bad, doesn't look that bad, whatever. I did go back in with that Leo color to fix that, so we're good. Okay, so now that all that is done, my favorite part has finally come. Oh, I did apply a little bit of that highlight on my Cupid's bow because I had forgotten in the previous clip that you saw. But yeah, anyway, now it's my favorite part, which is the lipstick. Now, I'm not one to normally wear lipstick, and especially such, you know, a bold color, but it is a fall makeup look, and I thought it's necessary. So I'm going to be using a burgundy lipstick. Now, I am going to be using these two, I think. I'm in between Revlon's 630 Raisin Rage, which I don't know, can you focus, please? You can't see that. And then the NYX Professional Lipstick in HVLS 16. That's like, there's no point in doing that, it won't focus. I am not gonna line my lips because whatever. Okay, so this concludes the fall makeup look. I ended up just using the NYX lipstick because it was darker than the Revlon one, as you guys can see, and I think you guys saw earlier. This one's a little bit darker, and I really like how dark the NYX one is. It's almost as dark as my soul. No, I'm kidding. So yeah, that was all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look, and if you guys do recreate it, always tag me. My social medias are linked down below in the description box, so go check those out. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want, you can turn on the bell notification button, which is right next to the little subscribe button. Now, some people say it doesn't work, but hey, you might as well try it out, so then get notified when I post my next video. I hope you guys all have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!